So yesterday was pretty darn exciting and thankfully uneventful, as there was no smoke and everything performed better than expected. Now I have the sensor controller attached and I am about to plug in the battery. Hold your breath. No smoke. Okay, not good. Yeah, I got an idea how I'm going to do some testing here in a minute. For right now, let's take a break. Okay, take two. As usual. No, not as usual. It didn't work the first try. And what I did was tested the Hall sensors. They tested good, hooked it back up. Thought, well, I'll try it again. Yes, we have liftoff. Opposite direction. Yeah, it seems like it has more torque at lower speeds. And it is really crazy there at high speed. I don't feel anything getting hot. The transistors are a little warm. I'll have to hook the amp meter up to it and see what the amperage says. But this is significantly... Yeah, you can't even hold on to that. Wow. That's a lot of torque. One more time. I can hear it making a little bit of noise in there. I think that like I kept complaining about the way it was, the glue set last time. I think I'm going to adjust this. Oh, that's pretty darn hot. I can't tell anything else. Let me see. Maybe it's just because I was hanging on to this. I don't know. Anyway, I think I'm going to adjust this bearing here to tighten it up a little bit so it doesn't, because you can hear it rubbing a little when it's this side, but when it's back that side, there's no rubbing. So I think if I adjust this bearing back a little bit, that means taking a long socket and putting over there and tapping it in. That's going to be the adjustment, right? and make it where it doesn't have any play in the motor. That'll stop it from doing that rubbing. Okay, plug it in again. Let's do it again. Let's run it the other way. I like to see how slow it starts. See, there it is. It's just, I just turn on just a tiny bit and it's already going. So low speed is good. I built it thinking that if it destroyed itself, it would have this casing to keep it inside, because the rotor outer spacer is pretty thick, and those magnets are pretty deep down inside the rotor. But they're glued in there really tight, and I haven't seen any movement in the magnets. The shaft gets a little bit warm. That's interesting. Eventually I will run it for a longer length of time, but that's a absolutely excellent first test. I guess I must have had the hulls on wrong. I don't see any difference in the way I hooked them up now and then. So anyway, I'm happy.